Hey guys, Vijay here. I have another product today to review, which is it's Craftsman Digital Torque Wrench. It's 12.5 to 250 foot-pounds, I guess. So I never used it, and I realized I need it because other videos maybe I mentioned I like to work on my car. I like to fix things, change, adjust, or upgrade. So I decided to buy this. I got this from Sears, I guess. I guess Sears, yes. It was hundred something dollars when I compare the other brands. So I decided to go with Craftsman. I have so many tools with this brand. Okay, let's see. Again, I never used it. I don't know how to use it. I will try my best. This goes in the car. Okay. It has nice carry bag. Let's open it. Nice and heavy. And again, I would like to mention I do this as a hobby to review products because I know there's a lot of people searching products, how they are doing, how the products are. Sometimes you cannot find anything, and this is totally honest reviews because nobody pay for it. I always purchase the products. I pay for the products, you know, and I'm trying to help people if I can. So it comes with the batteries. You don't need it. So okay, let's open with this. I believe. Yep, this is not gonna work. Don't have anything here. Hmm, let me try with this. Okay. So first thing, how am I gonna take this cover up? This is what I don't like. Okay, I lose it. Come on, you shouldn't be that much hard. You could be easier. Let me find any. Okay, I'm coming back. Give me 1 minute. First negative things. Battery cover is hard to take it out. It would be nice if they did something to hold it. I can't believe. So let me figure out this first. I will back. So for your information, it has a spring inside, but it was hard to take it out. Get some solid tools to take it out. Okay, we did this, I believe. Okay. So there is no sign here where the plus positive or negative goes. Probably positive goes downward. And let's see. Okay, it came on finally. You go there here, I will put you back. So there's a C, you can clear it. Show you. Okay, now I did some research for that nuts, wheel nuts. It says 100 pounds. So you can press and hold, it will go up like fast. Okay, there is also lights, red and green. Let's see. Yep, you can hear the sound. There's a sound warning. Let me show you. Things up. Okay. So when you go like that, you can see. Oops. Okay, let me see the other one. Okay, done. Okay, nice. So it's simple to use. In case of you need these things, you can find anywhere to buy. So if you have any question, any comment, just leave it. If you like the video, don't forget to like it. Don't forget to subscribe for the future videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.